Elementor WordPress tutorial for beginners. So in this video I'm going to explain you how you can use Elementor page builder, and it's going to be a very simple tutorial and I'm going to explain you everything. And if you have any questions, do let me know. And before I get started, guys, please consider subscribing because I make videos on WordPress tutorials, how to get free traffic and plugin reviews. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So as you could see, this is a freshly installed WordPress website. I use Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. They give you a free domain, free SSL. The link is down below. Go and check it out. Trust me, it's worth switching it to Bluehost. But anyways, this is my WordPress website. Currently it's basic, simple, there's nothing onto it. So first thing which I do is I install a theme. So if I just go over here, appearance, themes, and then the best theme which I use is called Astra theme. Okay, so just come on themes. Okay, once you click on themes and then add new, a lot of people were asking me where is the add new theme button. So when you click on themes, click on add new theme, click over here, and then just over here search Astra and press enter. So now once you are over here, just click on this and install. So it will get installed. Click on activate. So once it's activated, all you have to do is just click on get started, and then when you click on get started, all you have to do is select Elementor. And then once you selected Elementor, now these are the themes which you could use. So they are pre-made themes. So I would always suggest start with a pre-made template. Okay, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Everything's over here. If you're writing a blog, business, all the websites are over here. If you want an e-commerce website, everything's over here. I just select on all. I would use this one. Okay, this one looks really good. All you have to do is you can just import the complete site. So you can say you selected website is being imported, select everything, and then let's say it's not a fresh WordPress install, you can just tick this up, but for me it's a fresh install, so I'm just going to leave this unticked and import. So guys, depending on your internet speed, it will get installed. It will take some time. For me it took 3 minutes because my internet's a little slow, but then again you can just visit site. So this is how my website looks right now. Looks neat, clean. So now all you have to do is click edit with Elementor. So now this is over here. This is how Elementor looks. Now it's very easy. So let's say this is a template to change anything. Learn, just type learn about Elementor. Okay, everything's over here. Let's say always click on navigator, so you will come to know this is one section. Hide the section. This is how the section looks. Inside the section there is column, so this is a column. Inside the column there's heading, there's one more heading, and then this text editor. That's it. This is very simple. Now on the left hand side there's content. So this is all about learn about Elementor. So you can write your content over here. You can paste the URL. For styling, it's this. So you want to change the text color, you can change the text color. You want to change the typography, you can change over here. Okay, and then the next thing is text shadow. You want to add text shadow, you can add. Blend mode, so you can just play around and check what you want. So it's blending, saturation, color dodge, hue, luminosity, which I can't pronounce. Anyways, yeah, so everything's over here in advanced. So guys, just remember one thing. Okay, just try to make a basic website. Don't try to make it really professional. Don't be in the perfectionitis area. So this is the biggest roadblock towards your success, where you try to be everything's perfect. If you look at my website, okay, very simple, very basic. My video is here. Okay, all my blog posts are here. That's it, guys. Nothing extra. The more you try to add, the more heavier the website gets, the much more slower the website gets. And ultimately, if you're looking to generate sales, generate leads on your website, or just getting more traffic, make it very simple as it is, guys. Make it very simple. Okay, this looks very simple. Don't try to make changes to it. And this Elementor is very simple. So just click over here. If you want to add image, you can add image anywhere over here. So let's say if I want to add, and these are structures, you can use all the structures, 4 columns, 3 columns, 2 columns. If I use 2 columns, so you could see the plus sign over here, plus sign over here. If I just click over here, you can add the image inside over here. Again, there are a lot of things over here, you can check it out. Video button, if I want to add a button over here, I can add. If I want to move the button from here, I can move from here. Even from the navigator, I can move from the top to here. I can move, simple as it is. First is content, what is, so you can change over here. Access now, make it in the middle, make it big, make it on the left. Style, okay, you can choose the typography, text color, background color, everything's over here. Okay, so it's very simple, don't have to complicate things, don't have to reinvent wheel. So this is how you can use Elementor. And guys, if you would like to learn more about this, I've created a free course on how you can build a WordPress website from scratch and make it look professional and make it very simple, so you can get, start getting traffic on it. Then there's another free training, double your traffic. So if you want to learn about how you can get free traffic to your website, you could do that, as well as if you would like to learn about starting your own web design business, you could do that as well, because creating a WordPress website is very easy. And once you do that, you could start making money, and then you could focus on your future goals. But in the beginning, if you need some money, you could start your own web design business, you can make websites for other people. But for now, that's it for today's video, guys. It's very simple to use Elementor. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I would see you next time.